Welcome to this morning meditation, a peaceful practice designed to help you begin your day with a positive mindset. This moment is for you to reset, realign, and set the tone for the day ahead. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably, and let's begin. Close your eyes softly, allowing yourself to fully relax into this moment. Take a deep breath in, slowly inhale through the nose, filling your lungs with fresh, energizing air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or worries from yesterday. With each exhale, feel your body becoming more grounded and relaxed. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself arriving in the present moment. There is nothing else you need to do right now. Just focus on your breath and let go of anything that no longer serves you. Inhale deeply once more and imagine you are breathing in positive, vibrant energy. With each breath, feel this energy filling you, expanding your heart, and bringing peace into your body. Exhale slowly, releasing any negativity, doubts, or remnants of stress that may linger from the past. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more centered and ready to start your day with a clear, open mind. Now bring your awareness to your thoughts. Imagine that each thought you have is like a seed. You are the gardener of your mind. As you breathe in, think of this moment as an opportunity to plant positive, empowering seeds in your mind for the day ahead. Breathe in the energy of confidence, hope, and joy. Breathe out any fear, stress, or negativity that doesn't align with the positive mindset you wish to cultivate today. You are in control of your thoughts, and you choose to focus on what brings you peace and happiness. Now bring to your mind one positive intention for today. It could be something simple, like I will approach today with gratitude and joy. Or I trust that the universe will guide me to the right opportunities. See these intentions clearly in your mind's eye and imagine it as a glowing light, shining brightly above you. This is your guiding force for the day. Feel the strength and the clarity of this intention, filling you with confidence, preparing you for whatever the day holds. Visualize yourself moving through your day with ease and positivity. See yourself tackling challenges with a calm and focused mind. handling any obstacles that may come your way with grace and patience. Imagine your interactions with others being filled with kindness, compassion, and respect. Visualize the universe supporting you at every turn, bringing you closer to your goals with every step you take. Now let's reinforce this positive mindset with a few affirmations. As I say each affirmation, repeat it quietly in your mind, allowing the words to settle deeply into your heart. I am filled with positive energy and ready to embrace the day ahead. I choose to focus on the good in every situation. I trust that today will bring new opportunities and growth. I am confident, calm, and centered in every moment. I welcome all the possibilities today holds with an open heart. Take a moment now to feel gratitude for this new day. Feel gratitude for the breath in your body, the opportunities ahead, and the endless potential you carry within you. Know that this day is a gift and you are fully capable of making it amazing. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few more deep breaths, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale fully, releasing anything that doesn't align with your positive intentions. Begin to gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your body if that feels good. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you the positive energy, clarity, and intention for your day ahead. Remember, you have everything you need within you to make today extraordinary. Step into your day with positivity, confidence, and love. You are ready. You are empowered. You are aligned with your purpose.